gotta be here.
Easy there, little one. It's all right. Hey, look.
Easy, little one. Got you. You so light.
Easy, little one.
I've got
Hey, little guy. Where'd you come from, huh? It's okay. You're
Sit, little one. Good boy. Drink as much as you need.
Wow. Hang on, little one. We're almost there. Just a few more steps, buddy. Got you. Warm and safe, are you? Easy, easy. I got it. There you go, little guy. You ferocious. Easy, little guy. Just wiping you off. Yeah, I know. Shh. You're ferocious. Easy, buddy. You're okay. Look at you up there. Whoa. Well, look at you up there. King of the backpack, huh? Easy, easy. Easy, buddy. You okay? That floor's slippery, huh?
Oh my gosh, what have you done? Coda, this was a whole roll of paper an hour ago. You proud of yourself? Stop shoving. Yeah, that's what I thought.
What are you doing in there, sir? That is not your dinner. Chuff. You like- Hey,
You really think you fit in there, huh? Oh my goodness. You think that fits, huh? Oh.
Gotcha, sneaky little hunter.
Here it goes. Oh, you missed it. Got that one. Oh.
Buddy, don't have your every day. Yeah, I know. I'm bored already. You can't just paw my face. Hey. Okay. Get it, you two. Who's gonna win? Oh, big bull. You let him think he's got it? Oh, you catch him, Murphy. Hang on, buddy. Tuck it back. Look at that tail go.
Get it! Get the water! Roar! Missed again! Oh, almost. Here it comes. Roar! Ha! Good jump, buddy! Roar! Oh, we got him.
Get it, buddy.
Oh, that tickles. It's so slippery. Oh, you're so...
Tails. Perfect harmony. The big guy thinks he's just one of the dogs. Whoa, easy, big guy. Hey, you are heavy. Yeah, I know. You think you're still little, huh?
You're heavy.
Hey, there goes the cereal. Chuff.
Oh boy, here we go. You're not a lap cat, buddy. Whoa!
Oh, buddy, you're drenched. He loves you, huh? Good boy. Flying bath complete.
Easy, big guy. Hey. Oh wow, that is a lot of lion. Yeah, I feel it. Couch is giving up. Rest your head, bud. I've got you. That smile says it all. Big breeze, big cat.
Look at that big boy. He just wants to say hi.
Oh, Leo. Look at you. Guess bath time it is.
Oh, yeah, really? You're proud of yourself, huh? Look at that face.
Hey, big guy. It's just a frog. You're safe. Look, tiny little thing. See? You're a fine, brave boy.
All right, big guy, easy. You gonna try it? Oh, there go the balls. Oh, no. Not capsized. Look at that.
Like a light, buddy. You earned it.
You really think I can't see you, huh? Tail sticking out, big guy. Alright, stay invisible.